Good morning, YouTubers, and welcome to the mess hall here at Dr. Jet Laboratories. One of my viewers, who for the sake of this discussion, I'm going to call Brandon, because in fact, his name is Brandon, asked me a question about the rudder linkage in the 1/20th Atlas. And since I'm trying to stir up interest in 120 scale racing and make another production run of these kits, I thought I'd clarify some things. When you're doing a scale haul, there's a lot of concessions. You have to find room to put stuff. So the first thing is, when I established the rudder, I wanted the control arm to be on this side so it would be pull in your normal right turn. Push, and sometimes the push rod can flex, but it'd always be a straight line in tension. And if you know anything about my through hauls for these little boats, I like to use this 1/32 music wire, and then it's inside a 1/16 inch capillary tube, and that capillary tube rides in a greased 3/32 brass tube that's fixed into the hull. Where that capillary tube exits the brass tube, you can see right here. I don't know if you can see it, if the lighting's good, but I had to put a bend in that rudder push rod because that's just the way it worked out. There's not a whole lot of room to move the servo this way. You wanted access to the servo, the servo had to be a convenient servo to get and so forth. So yeah, Brandon, it is kind of wonky. Yeah, your linkage does go like this. No, it's not the best way. It's not ideal, but it works. It works. Remember, these things are small and light, and there aren't a whole lot of forces on it that would be on bigger, heavier boats. And so the power required to move things and deal with these little bit of angles, it's acceptable. So there you go, Brandon. I'm not going to say what I'm sure you hear a lot of. So until next time, jet out.